If you were 33 now, my age, and you were trying to accumulate wealth.
Oh, God, I wish I was 33.
Do you?
It's such an exciting time.
What would you give to be 33?
There's nothing I can give.
No, but would you? I find this funny. I heard someone ask a question like this the other day. They said, like, would you give your entire available net worth to be 33?
Yeah, I think everyone says yes. I mean, how did one get a net worth? By work and luck and creativity, all those good things.
If you were 33 now in this moment in time, and your objective was, and this is a bit of a crass objective, but I'm going to, it sounds like it's a very one-dimensional objective, but if your objective was just to become rich now at 33, what strategy would you deploy? Again, I'm going to take away your contacts. I'm even going to take away everything you know. So you'd have to go on the journey of acquiring new information. What would you do?
I think the simple appeal would be to get your tail into AI and try and be a leader, try and know more about everything in that area than the next guy. Join a leading firm and go for broke. You may end up encouraging the destruction of the human species, but you asked a simple question, and I give you what I think is a simple answer.
And what I hear there is you want to make sure you're riding a wave that's coming into shore, and you're on the forefront of that incoming wave, like we saw with the tech bubble. We saw, we're now seeing with the AI bubble. So it's really about acquire the most valuable information.
Yes. And take lots of risk. Don't be conservative.
And work hard.
And work hard. And think outside the box. I mean, I think that the biggest deficiency of most people is that they feel constrained to play the game by the regular rules and to believe that experts and authorities know what they're doing. And that, as you know, probably, it just ain't so.
What if I'm trying to invest? So say that I've got $1,000 or $10,000 and I want to invest it somewhere that's going to not lose me money through all of these cycles of, boom and bust. Because I'm interested. I have a lot of people message me and ask me about investing because I interview lots of people about investing. I have my own investment fund as well. But what advice do you give for the average person that's looking to invest their salary or their wages?
Buy a broad-based index of non-US equities.
Non-US? That's really surprising to me.
For like 60% of your money, and then 5 or 10% in precious metals. And if it's convenient and sensible, hold a bit of real